My name's Spencer, and I work for an independent glass company out of Chattanooga, Tennessee. And we predominantly do shower enclosures and mirrors, but we're pretty full service glass company. So cabinet doors, any plate glass, pretty much full service. So we have been using Smart Glazier Software since 2021. We chose Smart Glazier Software over others because, number one, there wasn't really a whole lot of options out there. And the options that were out there just weren't as thorough and didn't cover all of the areas that we felt like we needed as a contractor. And they just didn't seem to be as smooth, or the functionality just wasn't the same as what Smart Glazier offers. So we found it to be a much more all-encompassing software. Smart Glazier software has helped us mainly in a timeliness factor. We can get our quotes to the customers quicker, as well as just the ease of ordering things with our suppliers and communication throughout. Smart Glazier software has helped us with the quoting process, mainly in the timeliness factor. It helps us just get quotes back to customers a lot quicker, and it helps with them being able to digitally accept the quote and things like that. It allows them more convenient options on their end also. So the design modules help just as a installer or a quoter to just visualize what you're quoting and to look at the hardware layouts. And, if it's something where you have multiple options, that's nice too, because you can kind of evaluate different options, viewing them at the same time, kind of weigh things out. We used to hand draw all of our shower enclosures. So if it's got multiple pieces, we would have to do an individual drawing, use the old fax machine and fax it to the supplier. So having everything on a computer and having the DXF files, it makes it a lot more streamlined with our suppliers. Stair rails, anything with a handrail or a baluster system, and also shower doors as well. Anything that's not a straight cut, if it's like a radius top door, we can look at that in the 3D rendering, and all that's just really helped us on the calculation side of things as well. The Smart Glazier has helped us grow and helped our bottom line at the same time, just because you can track your margins. So each particular job, you can see, what your margins are, how much you're making, and you can adjust accordingly. And also having different pricing categories as well. You can differentiate between general contractors or just one-time customers. So it helps you just track things better and keep an eye on those bottom line numbers. Smart Glazier software has helped with invoicing and accounting, mainly just in the organization and keeping everything in one spot, and it's all accessible, and you don't really have to have one person that specializes in that. Many different people can click in and look at different metrics or send off invoices. It just makes things more simple. My favorite feature of the software is just the speed of it. Being able to click a button and send off an order, or click a button and send off a quote or an invoice or whatever it may be. Everything is just a click away. So that's definitely the convenience factor. I would describe Smart Glazier to someone who hasn't used it as the best thing that they're ever going to come across. So, because that was us very much so. Like, nothing was digital. We were, sending out hand invoices, doing shower door drawings by hand. And it just makes it easier to digitize all that, but also you don't need as many people over different areas. So you can kind of, everybody becomes a lot more multi-useful, or like multi-purpose, I guess. The employees can all use it in the same way. We appreciate you guys, and anytime we have problems or questions, you guys are quick to communicate with us and get back on that. So we really appreciate everything. I would recommend Smart Glazier Software to anybody that's trying to digitize or just organize in any way. Absolutely.